Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Southside Boy Style. At you again today with another video, and I figured I do all these car reviews, and I figured it was time to give you a review on this 2012 Honda Civic right here. I bought this car for my daughter 3 years ago, and I bought it for her for when she graduated high school. I told her, I said, if you graduate high school with honors, I'm going to buy you a car. Fresh with her license, buy her a car. And she did that. She graduated with honors, and I bought her a car. And this is the car it is. It's a 2012 Honda Civic. Particularly, they're not my style of cars, but she loves this car. It's a little bit rough around the edges, but, you know, I have to say, you guys look back at all the videos, and other than doing, like, things for her on this car, like, the only thing I've ever had to do with this car in 3 years, really, was put a starter in it. And I actually did a video on how to do that starter, and I'll leave a link down here so you can watch that video. And that's it, man. 3 years. I changed exhaust for her when she was younger, 3 years ago, 17 years old. She wanted a loud muffler on it. I did that, put one of those big mufflers on the back of it. And you can see videos on that too as well throughout the channel. And it's never caused a problem. I mean, she drives it everywhere. She doesn't stop. You know, it's a nice little rig. AC, everything's in it. I put a stereo system in it. And I'll show you that in the trunk after. So it has a little built-in amp into the box in the back and stuff. I bought her tires. She wanted the tires and rims, or as Americans would say, tires and wheels. I bought her those and put it on the car. I painted the hood on it. Again, I'll leave a link down in the description. I painted the roof. I painted the trunk, and it used to have a big wing on it. She wanted a big wing on it. I ordered a wing from Amazon and did all that, and I painted it. And I'll put that link down there too, where I installed the wing and painted it and did all that. Come out real nice. But when she got older and she finished college, 2 years of college, and she wanted all that taken off the car. She wanted to look more, you know, I guess, professional in a sense. She was doing her work term and stuff. But this little car, like these Honda Civics, I have to say, like they're really good. They're good vehicles. I have no complaints. I have zero complaints about these cars. I did do a little bit of body work down on the rockers, and I'll put that down in the description as well where I did that. And oh yeah, and also I guess one of the biggest things I did with this car, I'll take you around to the other side. One of the big things I did with this car was it had just the ordinary factory stereo system. So I ordered from Amazon the touchscreen stereo system. And I'll put the key in, let it turn on. I put a touchscreen stereo system in it that I ordered from Amazon. And I actually did a video on how to install it in the car. I'll put that down in the description. I'll put the link to the stereo system in the description so you can pick it up. Makes it easier for you. You can just click on the link that takes you right to Amazon so you can get the product. The thing about this car is, guys, is it has a lot of miles on it. Let me see now. I don't even know how to do that in this car. Let's shut the door and start it up. Purrs like a kitten. The thing purrs like a kitten. Used to be loud because of her big exhaust, but she wanted it took off, so I put her normal exhaust on and all that. And but if you look right there, guys, look at the kilometers on it. 409. So over 400,000 on this little engine. Like, guys, there's no dash lights on it. Never has been. Never has been. Only dash light ever comes on in this is the warning for maintenance, is like oil change and stuff like that, but never, nothing. The car just runs really good. There's her remote for her sub control, which I'll show you everything I did with it for her. And everything that I'm showing you in this car, I'll put in the description to the Amazon link so you can pick it up. Trunk. Okay, so push for gas, pull for trunk. And like this little thing really sounds good by Rockville. It's the one sub in the box with the built-in amplifier right there. And that thing rocks this car. When she pulls in the driveway at night, oh my goodness, everything in the house vibrates. This was actually pretty cheap. I'm definitely going to leave this in the description for you so you can pick it up from Amazon as well. I recommend this for anybody. This is really good. I was so impressed. A lot of times when you buy these subs already in the box with the built-in amplifiers, they're not that good, but wow, this thing really works well. The only thing is now is the prices have jumped up on these, so when I leave the link, it's not going to be for the same price I got. I can't remember what I paid for it, but it's still not very expensive. You got to imagine you're getting a 12-inch sub in the box. The box is very durable and heavy, built solid, and you get the amp built in, and you just got to order your wiring kit. Again, I'll leave that in the description too, the link, so you can click on it. But yeah, it's a nice little car. Like I am telling you guys, I have no complaints with this car. It hasn't caused any issues other than a starter. And I think the starter was dragging a little first when I even bought the car. And I got the car, I'll tell you straight out, like really good. I got the car for $2,000 and that came with winter studded tires. So come on, guys. That was 3 years ago. Still runs like the top, doesn't burn any oil, nothing, very low maintenance on this car. So, like, I got to say, like, good job, Honda, on the Civics. Now, I can't speak for the Civics now, but I can speak for this generation of Honda Civics here. I mean, good cars. Good little cars. Put the hood down. So, there you have it. Like I said, like, I'll leave you all kinds of links to other videos on this car. Everything I just showed you, I'll leave you links down in the description so you can pick it up. Makes it easier instead of searching for it. And I'll make sure I find the best prices and the best deals for the links that's provided. But guys, like, you know, if you got kids and you don't want to start them out with a new car because they're fresh with their license and you're afraid of little nicks and dings. I mean, this is a 2012, $2,000 perfect starter vehicle for your kids when they get old enough, right, to drive. In my opinion, perfect little starter car. Maintenance free. And believe me, that's what I needed. Because you guys know, I got a lot of stuff here that requires a lot of work. There's over 450 videos on this channel. So this car is, other than I did the video on the starter, I've never had to do any work on this car. Not in regards of fixing something or something breaking down. Never. Never have I ever had to do anything with it. And she don't drive hard, guys. She takes her time. She takes it easy. Maybe that's why it lasts out so good as what it does. But, you know, and I put the LED lights in for her so she could have the nice, you know, they're called bright nights. I think that's what they're called, bright nights. If I can find them on Amazon, I'll put the link down for those too. They were like 120 bucks when I bought them. But guys, don't quote me on the prices because prices changed. That was a few years back, right? Everything here was a few years back. So, you know, prices are with everything's going on in the world today. So things are probably a little bit more expensive, which kind of sucks, but I guess that's just the way it is. I put wiper blades on it once. I mean, man, like what a little car. Really nice. Now, these little cars are not really my thing, but I wouldn't hesitate to get aboard that and drive anywhere. Solid little car. Rides nice. You know, it's quick on the bumps, but it's just a little car. And just want to show it to you. You know, if you're planning on going out and buying a used vehicle, something that's very economical, cheap on gas, I would recommend these. I'm going to say from 2012 up to probably 2015 vehicles. And I only say that because I don't know what the 116 and above are like. So I can only speak on behalf of this generation of Honda Civic. But decent little car, perfect starter car for anybody. Anybody, you know, if you're getting your license and you just need a car, if you just need a second car for the family, is Honda Civic, this generation is perfect. Cheap, reliable, very economical, cheap on parts if you need it. Disc pads for this is nothing, really. Trust me. Cheap as anything for parts. Not that you're going to need many if you buy a Honda Civic. But yeah, nice little cars. So thanks for watching, guys. And as always, if you like the video, you can leave a like. If you want, you can subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.